Symptoms and body changes at 3 weeks. Even though the baby is growing in size, throughout the 3rd week many ladies actually lose weight because of vomiting, nausea, and loss of appetite caused by the secretion changes. Cramps and discharge are quite common. Thus, though there aren't several external changes occurring, it's vital to recollect that the internal changes that are occurring are vital, particularly throughout the initial stages. Your medical specialist can most likely tell you that you simply don't essentially ought to clean up or cancel any activities at this stage. Your medical specialists most likely also will advise you to extend your nutrient intake. Dairy farm merchandise. Leave inexperienced vegetables, red meats, and legumes are nice sources of vitamin B, calcium, protein, and iron, all of that facilitate develop sturdy bones, muscles, and tissues within the baby. Plus, a healthy diet will assist you to manage the mood swings brought on by the secretion changes. Baby's development. During the 3rd week, the baby is termed a fertilized egg. A fertilized egg could be a ball of cells that area unit perpetually multiplying. Concerning 30 hours when fertilization happens. The fertilized egg begins to divide into 2 cells, then 4, then 8, then on, because it moves from the fallopian tubes to the female internal reproductive organ. As the fertilized egg travels, it becomes referred to as a blastodermic vesicle, and it hollows out and fills with fluid. By the tip of the wick, implantation happens, which means the blastodermic vesicle attaches to the liner of the female internal reproductive organ at the mucous membrane. Once it's connected, the mucous membrane provides nutrients and removes waste from the embryo. Specific components of the baby area unit getting down to take form. Features like gender and eye, hair, and coloring have already been determined, and also the brain, head, medulla spinalis, and alimentary tract area unit developing. The heart starts beating, and also the size of the baby varies from 0.2 mm to 0.5 mm. This may be a fully exciting time for brand spanking new oldsters, as they will get their initial glimpse of their new baby. Please subscribe my channel for more pregnancy tips and suggestions. Symptoms and body changes at 3 weeks. Even though the baby is growing in size, throughout the 3rd week many ladies actually lose weight because of vomiting, nausea, and loss of appetite caused by the secretion changes. Cramps and discharge are quite common. Thus, though there aren't several external changes